Firstly, from our company management and our board, we would like to welcome every single one here tonight and hope you celebrate this amazing evening with us.
For me, it is a privilege and a pleasure and a matter of great pride to stand here with you, our friends, on this day that we officially inaugurate our fantastic new factory here at Motheroo. From the humble beginning and a limited means, we have grown as a team and as a company, driven by the spirit and the passion that truly warms my heart.
The first impression was really, it's huge. I never saw such a huge facility, and yeah, it's modern technology and everything is super clean, super nice, amazing.
Whomever I met during my not so numerous visits, I found that people which I talked to were very capable, very dedicated to their jobs. They liked their jobs, and so the best people you can possibly get for this kind of work. We have the same or very similar mentality. So they're very entrepreneurial, very adventurous, and so it's nice to be with them.
We built this company, but in the end of the day, Jonker Sailplanes is Ace Jonker. Ace made this all happen, you know. Me and Bossy think out the new stuff, we design the new gliders, it's all fun for us. Ace do the hard work, he makes this company. The heart and soul of Jonker Sailplanes is Ace Jonker. And I just want to thank my brother for taking my dream and making it his dream and running with it far further and wider than I ever thought or envisioned what will happen. I wanted to build one glider for me, and perhaps two gliders, one for me and one for Ace. And now we're building gliders for everybody, you know, and it's quite humbling when you fly in the world championships and you say, yes, I'm chasing this guy, I can't catch him. Oh, he's flying a Jay's glider. Okay.
Thank you, Ati, for those kind words, but I have a big team around me. So everybody in our team is really sacrificing whatever they have to make this dream. It's not only, it was your dream, now it's a dream of 200 people.